Hey there, welcome to another 50 Express tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a pumpkin loaf and muffins using our 50 Express cream cake mix, gourmet select cream cheese filling, and finishing it with a delicious crumb topping. So put on your aprons and let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and 4 to 6 tablespoons of melted, unsalted, and cooled butter, a spatula or wooden spoon, a 2.5 ounce ice cream scoop, 1 pound of 50 Express cream cake mix, 4 large eggs, another set of 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 3 ounces of pumpkin puree, 0.6 ounces of water, 4.8 ounces of oil. For the first part of this recipe, combine your flour, spices, salt, and melted butter in a large bowl. Using a wooden spoon, mix all ingredients until fully combined. It will resemble medium chunks. It should look exactly like this. Now let's take our eggs and add them to the mixing bowl. Break them up using the paddle attachment. Add in 1 pound of 50 Express cream cake mix and mix at low speed for 1 minute. Mix on medium for 3 minutes. Stop and scrape the sides of the bowl and add in the spices, pumpkin puree, and water. Continue mixing at low speed for 1 minute until the ingredients fully incorporate. Slowly begin to add your vegetable oil. Mix for 1 minute. Stop and scrape the sides of the bowl once more. Lastly, mix for 3 minutes on low speed. Pour batter onto a loaf pan that's been lined with a piece of parchment paper. Fill the pan about halfway with the batter. Add the crumble topping. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To make a few variations, you can use a muffin tin. Fill the baking liners about halfway up with the cream cake mix batter. Add our gourmet select cream cheese to a few of them. Now let's bake for 18 to 25 minutes until the loaf and the muffins are golden brown and spring back to the touch. Add additional time if needed. This is what they should look like once they are fully baked. Lining the baking pan with the parchment paper allows you to pull out the loaf safely. Cool the loaf and the muffins slightly, and now they're ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try this recipe yourself and let us know what you think. For more 50 Express videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find these items at a retailer near you, go to 50expressonline.com. See you next time.